Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The West mistakenly ascribes the Magna Carta as the first Charter of Rights. It was in 1215 CE that English landlords forced King John to put his signature on it. 600 years after Islam had established rights. Then came the American Constitution with the Bill of Rights, which gave no rights to the black people in the USA. Today the politicians of the world claim to adopt the Charter of Human Rights adopted by the UNO in 1948, but it is a well-known fact that when the rights are not to their advantage, the very charter becomes a charter of human injustice. It shows the ineffectiveness of man-made laws as compared to those which are set by God. The Treatise of Rights has been narrated in Al-Kisal, Al-Amali, and other books, all by Sheikh al-Saduq. The first narrator of it is Abu Hamza Thimali, a trustworthy and respected companion of Imam Zayn al-Abidin. Imam Zayn al-Abidin's treatise on rights is the only work attributed to him, other than supplications or relatively short sayings and letters. The Treatise on Rights seems to have been written at the request of a disciple, since, in one of its two versions, it is prefaced by the words, "This is the treatise of Ali ibn al-Hussein to one of his companions." Although the word haqq translates best as rights, it has a number of other closely related meanings such as justice, truth, obligation, duty, responsibility. On reading the Treatise of Rights, one immediately realizes that the word rights is much better translated as duties, obligations, or responsibilities. The body organs have rights because they share in the destiny of a person, for the body will be resurrected. Imam have listed 50 rights in his book. We will start with first one and then later will come in future videos. The right of God. It is the right of Almighty God that you should worship Him without associating any partner to Him. And if you fulfill this duty with sincerity, God has undertaken to suffice you in the matter of this world and the hereafter, and to preserve for you whatever you like of it.